Well, I received my last package. This one is from Shein. My voice, you know, like I hardly can talk. My throat hurts so much from coughing. It's like it's completely burning from that dry cough. So I said, well, I had to record this even with my voice like that because I wanted to record on camera. The way you guys can see what I ordered from Shein. And then I'm doing this with my voice that I hardly can talk. You know, it's like horrible, a horrible cold. So let me open the package and you guys can see what I ordered. Well, what I ordered the most was these nail stickers. They're absolutely gorgeous. Look how gorgeous they look. I love stickers on my nails. And this one, they're all butterflies, different size, different shape butterflies. Absolutely gorgeous, different color. Look how gorgeous they are. They're quite big. I know if my sister see this, she will want some. My sister that lives in Nova Scotia, she told me that she want to make a trip here. So if she come over, she'll be wanting some of these stickers because she loves stickers on her nails. These ones are like, I think a 55. And this one I think is 22. Of these butterflies. And these one are 55. This one, they are all different. Look how beautiful they look. And these ones are flowers. I think these ones are 10 of these. Absolutely gorgeous. I love stickers in the nails. So I ordered these nail art pens, white and black. To do some lines and stuff with the nails. These are jewels. Look how beautiful they are. And these to grab the jewels. Things that I don't know they existed. This one is a top coat. Is a glow in the dark top coat. I love that kind of stuff. These ones are nail art gel liners. I order black, gold, silver, and white. Very thin to do lines, and they're very full. I ordered those 4 color. These ones are nail poly gel. This is nude, and this one is clear. Tiny little containers. And this one is to make the almond of the nails, you know, different sizes. I hope this work. You know, when you put it on in the nail, you cut this out, like from the nail, to make the nice shaped almond to do the signs. I hope this works, because that will save a lot of time. until I get good enough to do it without these. And these ones are cat eyes gel polish with a magnet. I come with a magnet and everything. So I never use anything like this. So I ordered this to try these things out. I ordered them from Shein. They get here faster than AliExpress. And sometimes the stuff from Shein is better quality than the one from AliExpress. So that's why I wanted to give it a try to this stuff. So I'll be ordering some more stickers, some Christmas stickers. I want to order those before Christmas time. So, and a few other things, so I'll be recording when I get that package here. Hopefully by then my voice will be 100%. So I wanted to give it a try to this. I wanted to give it a try. I wanted to try the pen liner or nail art pen. And the instruction here, check really well and press the tip down for a while, and because I have like you know, like, you see, it come up and down, it go up and down, and then after you press it, the ink or the nail polish come out, and then look at this. I love it. I absolutely love it. To do the signs, to do some art and stuff. I know for sure when Kimberly come over for me to do her nails, she will want me to do something with this. For sure. I think I'll be ordering different colors as well. So I'll see you here in the next time when I'm opening more package, or the last one for now. Here I'm gonna open this last package that I ordered from Shein, some nail stuff. So I'm very excited to open this package, and then I will show you as well, that way you guys can see what I ordered. Well, this is the spider gel. This is gold, white, and black I ordered. I ordered these little acrylic flowers. They're absolutely gorgeous. So some of these are the same as the one in here. Yes, the red, the black, the blue are exactly the same, because the other ones are different. You know, I don't have the hot pink in here. I don't have the darker purple in here, and this brown. So that's why I ordered the two different, because the extra colors. So I ordered these jewels. Look at these beautiful reds. And look at this. This one I absolutely love. Probably order more of this one later. I love the color. I ordered these Kolinsky brushes for doing designs in the nail. This is a sponge to do designs as well. These are nail art pens. I don't know, I ordered two, and I received 6. I don't know if it's the package, one package have 6, or, you know, because I ordered just one package. And I thought the one package only have 2 pens. So I don't know. I received 6. This is a tweezer to grab flowers, to grab stickers. Look at these beautiful Christmas stickers. I'm going to be wearing some of these for Christmas. Perfect. I know Nora will want some, and Nora's friend. And these beautiful hearts. I ordered these little empty containers to put some of the jewels, to put, I have few more fruits, canes that I want to cut, and then I will put the different ones in these little containers. I want to order some bigger one. They have bigger, this is the smallest that they have, and first time I ordered them, so I wanted to see the size. So next time I will order them the medium and the large. And I have these are for stamping, doing some stamping on the nail, and these are like the sweater type. Look how nice that looks. So what you do with this, you grab some gel polish, you pass it in here, you clean it in the top, and then you put on the lamp, and then with the tweezer you remove the design, and then you put them on a nail. Really nice idea. Let's see how this works. This one is that one. This is like the sweater type of design. I get it stuck to the plastic because it's silicone. So, and this other one is Christmas as well. This one have snowflakes, different shape of snowflakes, Christmas ornament, butterflies, a reindeer, roses, and different flowers. And I love the snowflakes. This eye, you see it like this. Quite a few designs. So I hardly can wait to start practicing all this stuff. So in the new year I'll be taking my nail tech course, so that will be great. I don't want to start doing nails without taking that course. I want to have my diploma. That way I can do some around here in the neighborhood to see if I can do some nails. Because I do Nora's nail, I do Kimberly's and Nora's friend's nail, Florence. But they know I'm learning. I don't have the diploma, so that's just for practice. And in Cuba, when I go to Cuba, I do the nails of all my sisters, some of my nieces, so that's for practice as well. So I'm gonna leave this part at the blog here, so I'll continue later. Well, I'm doing a refill. I think this is the last one of the year. So I already removed some of this one, and you can see that I really need it. So let's see what I will do for Christmas and New Year's Eve. They look like this. I still have to drill around the cuticle, and it's amazing the change from before and now, how I used to do my nails. Look, I already did this one, and this one look perfect around the cuticle. I absolutely love it. It's amazing. It's like night and day. This is how it looks so far. I absolutely love them. I just put a top coat. Now I'm gonna paint them, or whatever I'm gonna do, a design or something. I had to put some cuticle oil as well, but look how perfect they look. Very even, all of them. So I'm ecstatic. I'm gonna show you the other hand, that way you guys can see as well. You know, they look even, perfect on the cuticle, getting much better than before. Amazing. They're all even. And I think in the shape as well, they have all the same shapes. I absolutely love this shape. So now I will do the signing and then I will show you after. This is the end result and I absolutely love the way they look. The one on the thumb, I have to remove the ones I did before. I did some snowflake because they were lifting. These are the stickers from Shein. I think they're more for doing capsule nails, but I wanted to do it just in the top. So I absolutely love them. I hope you guys like it. Well, this is my little Christmas tree. First the theme was silver and blue. Now slowly it's changing color with William School projects. Even a mushroom from Mario Kart. And he got that elf from me. Now when he come home from school, he said he gonna name the elf for the elf to get the magic. So that will be tonight. He gonna name the elf. He did a little snowman at school. Have in the center a picture of himself and the face. And we put a few Christmas gifts under the tree, hoping that Luna don't start chewing on them. She's very good. She's very good. She's 1 year last December 2nd. So it's her first Christmas with us. And so far, the only thing that she chew is socks. She loves chewing socks. I don't know why. Any clean socks, dirty socks, anything, any sock that she found around, that's the only thing that she make holes. So far, that's not too bad. So we were a little bit apprehensive to put the gift last night under the tree, and today in the morning, everything destroyed. But no, she's good. She's good. She's a very good puppy. Well, she's not a puppy anymore. She's already one. So I want to wish you guys in this small vlog that I've been doing, showing the stuff that I've been buying for my nails, my Christmas nails and all the stuff. I want to wish you guys a Merry Christmas, Happy Holiday, Happy Hanukkah. For those that don't celebrate Christmas, the best in these few days that we have left of this year. Amazing New Year. First of all, a very good health for all of you. That's very important. And prosperity, happiness, unity in the families, and that you guys can see any family member that you miss seeing, and that you want to see. I'm going to see my family and then beginning of the year, so that's very good. Get together with them. So Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year from me to you, and come back in the new year with a lot of energy to do some knitting and crochet and a lot of yarn and yarn stash. All the best.